You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. It is a biblical word, so it exists in Hebrew, but it's also a name that exists in Turkish, and I believe in some versions of Arabic as well, Arabic countries like Indonesia. And in all of those languages, Turkish, Indonesian, Hebrew, and other Arabic, it's pronounced as Nisan, including in Hebrew. I've seen a video saying that it's in Hebrew it's pronounced Nisan, but that doesn't make sense because Hebrew doesn't pronounce I as I, but E. So Nisan, including in Hebrew from the Bible. Now in English, for the biblical name, yes, it is pronounced sometimes as Nisan, okay? So yes, in English, Nisan is not incorrect, but that's not the Hebrew pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.